Struggling with fatty liver can feel overwhelming, but here's the encouraging part. You don't need medications to make real progress. By simply adjusting a few daily habits, you can start seeing a difference in just a few weeks. In this video, I'll walk you through natural, effective steps you can take to reduce liver fat and support your body's natural detox process, without relying on pills. Are you ready to start? Let's dive into these simple changes that can lead to a healthier, happier liver. Number 1. Optimize your diet. The liver's primary role is to filter toxins and regulate fat metabolism. Certain dietary adjustments can help enhance this process and reduce fat buildup. Sugar, especially fructose, is a primary contributor to fatty liver. Processed foods and sugary drinks promote fat storage in the liver, so reducing these can help your liver recover faster. Eat fiber-rich foods can help reduce fat absorption and improve digestion, easing the liver's load. Aim to include whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes in your diet daily. Replace unhealthy fats with good fats can play a significant role in fatty liver. Healthy fats found in different foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular, found in fatty fish like salmon, help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Number 2. Incorporate liver detoxifying foods. Certain foods support liver function and promote detoxification. Garlic is well known for its medicinal properties. Garlic contains compounds like allicin that activates liver enzymes and helps the liver flush out toxins. Leafy green foods like spinach, kale, and other greens are high in chlorophyll, which also helps the liver by binding to toxins and removing them from the bloodstream. The active compound in turmeric curcumin is very beneficial for fatty liver. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, which plays a significant role in the liver function and overall health. Add it to meals or drink turmeric tea for an extra boost. Number 3. Stay hydrated for optimal liver function. Water is essential for liver health as it helps flush out toxins and improve metabolic functions. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Staying hydrated ensures that your liver can process and eliminate waste efficiently. You can also add lemon to your water for an extra liver-supporting boost. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants that help stimulate liver function. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on more natural wellness tips. Number 4. Consider intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to support liver health by giving it time to rest and focus on detoxification. Overweight is one of the major reasons behind fatty liver. So, try fasting for 12 to 16 hours a day. For example, you could eat from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and fast from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. This also helps improve insulin sensitivity and allows the liver to break down fat more effectively. Fasting can also reduce inflammation and fat storage in the liver over time, leading to faster recovery. Number 5. Get adequate sleep for liver recovery. The liver performs many detoxification processes while we sleep, so getting enough restful sleep is essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep affects the liver's ability to repair and detoxify, as well as overall metabolic health. Avoid blue light from screens before bed, as it can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to get the restful sleep needed for liver recovery. Number 6. Add antioxidant-rich foods and supplements. Antioxidants play a key role in reducing oxidative stress, which can worsen fatty liver. Foods rich in vitamin E, like almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds, help reduce liver inflammation. Green tea contains catechins, a powerful antioxidant that can help improve liver function and reduce fat buildup. Drinking a cup of green tea daily can help in fatty liver and give an extra detox boost. Number 7. Exercise regularly to reduce fat accumulation. Overbody fat is one of the main factors behind fatty liver. Physical activity is crucial for reducing excess fat and improving liver health. Engaging in cardio activities like walking, cycling, or jogging helps reduce overall body fat, including fat in the liver. Incorporating resistance exercises like lifting weights, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fatty liver risk. A combination of cardio and strength training 3 to 5 times a week can have powerful effects on liver fat reduction. Conclusion: reversing a fatty liver doesn't have to be complicated, and as we've seen, you don't need pills to make a real difference. By adopting simple lifestyle changes, like nourishing your body with the right foods, staying active, getting quality sleep, and supporting your liver's natural detox process, you're giving your liver the tools it needs to heal and thrive. Stick with these steps consistently, and in just a few weeks, you may start to feel lighter, more energized, and healthier overall. Thanks for watching.